Hey everyone, it is Zach again here with Wrecker Central. So first of all, I want to address the fact that everyone keeps saying that I am wearing the same hat and hoodie every day. And that's true, because they're awesome from DG Metalworks. So you can go to dgmetalworks.com and grab yourself a hoodie. But we're gonna go do a shop update real quick. Today is Tuesday, March 2nd, 2021. But today, I've got a little surprise for the guys. So I'm gonna go see if they're awake in there with the air horn. So Rob's over there, Rob doesn't see. Let's go get Tom.
Jesus.
All right, Tom.
God.
All right, hey Tom, what do you got going on today?
Wow, Zach. Anyway, we got the wiring. I'm running the wiring down the side of the frame right now. They're ready to put in from the switch for the customer. So I'm getting that done right now.
Okay.
And then I'm getting ready to start hooking up our hydraulic lines.
So these are gonna go, these hydraulic lines go from the pump over to the head to control
Yes, sir.
the arms and all that. So you got all your stuff staged here,
Yes, sir.
getting ready for that install. Cool, cool. All right, well, I'll let you get back to work. I'm gonna go see what Rob's up to. Rob, what do you got going on, buddy?
Right now I'm finishing up our tubes, and then once I'm done with these two, we're gonna go ahead and Nick, the customer of this truck, is getting a all new 5x7 built that Dan just came out with. So
Yeah, I heard Dan's got a little surprise up his sleeve for him.
yeah, he does.
So that's gonna be cool. We're excited for that. Hey, that's a cool shirt, man.
Yeah, thank you.
Where'd you get that at?
Oh, you know, Wrecker Central LLC, best place to get your apparel.
Yeah, WreckerCentralLLC.com, guys.
All
Go
the
ahead and
way.
check it out. All day long, we got these going on. So we're gonna add a customizable option. You wanna get your name put on it. I know it looks crooked, but he's got it. It's not crooked, I promise. All right, so yeah, go to WreckerCentralLLC.com. As of last night, I finished up a good portion of the website. It's not perfect yet. We're still adding inventory to it and stuff like that, but it's up, it's live. You guys can go check it out. Thanks for watching, guys.